Hi guys, it's Marianne. I hope you're well. Let's make a rosemary mouthwash today. This is super efficient, guys. It'll take away bad breath very quickly. Rosemary has antibacterial properties, and not only is this good, it smells fantastic and it tastes pretty good as well. We're going to put a tablespoon or 15 milliliters of dried rosemary leaves into this little jug. This is a 500 milliliter or 2-cup jug. I'm going to fill it up to the 2-cup line. So you need 2 cups of water is what I'm trying to say, hot. I'm going to cover this and let it steep for 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes have gone by. I'm simply going to strain this into a little jar. Gargle as many times as you want and keep this in the refrigerator closed. It'll last you 4 days.